So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change language in Duolingo. So first of all, open up the app and you can see right now my app preferred settings are in English. So you can see at the bottom, or rather at the top, section 1 unit 1 form basic sentences. You can see some streak and stuff like that. Everything is pretty much in English. Now if I wanted to change that, I can go to my account. If it's not popping up on there, you can go back to home and exit Duolingo app and you can check the settings. On the settings page, you can go all the way down until you find the apps. Open that. Through here, you will need to swipe until you find the letter D and it will say Duolingo. So open that as well. On there, you can see some of the options and you can see preferred language, and then through there, you can scroll through some of the suggested languages and the languages available to you. So let's switch it up to some other language. And if I go to Duolingo right now, it's going to be a bit different. And if it's still not popping up, you'll need to contact their customer support. So you'll get some assistance in changing that, but you should really check just on the settings before you try anything else, or try to reinstall the app if it's not working properly. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duolingo or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.